Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Arshita from my channel Arshita Highlighted. Friends, as usual, today also in this video I'm gonna review a product. So guys, if you are interested in this video, you can proceed further, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe me. Then without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Guys, the product which I'm going to review today is this Aqualogica Detan Sunscreen, and here is the box. This is how it looks, and if I open, and here is my sunscreen. You can see the bottle is of well shaped, lightweight, and it's travel friendly too. And you can see this is of pumping system. So guys, let me describe about this product now. So guys, as I said before, the product name is Aqualogica Detan Plus Dewy Sunscreen, and this flavor is of cherry tomato and hyaluronic acid. And here the description has been written. If you buy this product, you can read it off. So guys, this is of SPF 50 plus, and it's measuring around 50 grams, and I got this product for only 450 rupees. So guys, coming to the main thing why we should use this product, here in the bottle itself it is written as it has a unique water lock technology, and also it prevents against blue light protection. So it protects against UVA and blue light. It also improves your skin texture, and also it prevents sun tanning. This product is non-sticky and very lightweight guys, because I have been used many sunscreen, but it is so sticky and it used to give me a oily texture, but this is not like that. It is non-sticky and it is very lightweight. It is travel friendly. So guys, coming to the application, you can apply all over face and all over neck. And also in the bottle itself, it has been written that you need to apply for every 6 hours. You need to repeat the procedure for every 6 hours. As I said you before, this is of pumping system, and let me apply on my skin and show you. And here it is. Let me apply. You can see how fast and how smooth it is. Yeah, it's done now. Coming to the fragrance, there is no fragrance at all. You can see there is no white patches on my skin, but you can see most of the sunscreen which gives you a white patches, and even after rubbing also there would be a white patches all over skin, but this is super absorbing. So I think this is the best product. What I really liked about this product is here I used to have a lot of tan. And here in the bottle also it has been written as it removes the tan and it also hydrates your skin. So after applying this, I think I have been using this from past 2 months, and when I see the tanness is almost reduced over here, so I think it's best for removing the tan. And also another thing is it hydrates my skin, so I definitely love this product. So guys, if you wish to buy this product, the product link will be on my description. And that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please do share and subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much.